In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from crypto.com. So whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just getting started, transferring your funds is an essential skill, and I'm here to walk you through this process step by step, ensuring it's as smooth and stress-free as possible. To begin, you'll need to open up the Crypto.com application on your mobile device. This app is the central hub for managing your cryptocurrency assets and is the gateway to accessing your funds. If you haven't already downloaded it, be sure to get it from the App Store or Google Play so that you can follow along. Once you've opened the app, head over to the menu section. In this menu, you'll find various options that cater to different financial activities. For our purpose today, look for the option labeled Accounts. This is where all your various balances and wallets reside. Now that you're in the accounts section, it's time to locate your cash account. Specifically, you'll want to click on your USD account. This area shows you the dollar balance available in your account, where you can make transactions either within the app or to an external bank. It's important to keep an eye on this balance so you can manage your finances efficiently. Next, with your USD account selected, you'll see a withdraw option. Go ahead and click on this. This initiates the process of transferring your USD funds from crypto.com to your chosen destination. Speaking of which, it's time to select your bank account. This is where your withdrawn funds will land. Make sure you've linked your bank account to your Crypto.com account beforehand, otherwise this step can't proceed. Linking your bank account not only facilitates smooth transactions, but also ensures that there's a secure pathway for your funds to travel. If you're yet to connect your bank account, take this moment to do so. It's a straightforward process that involves verifying your bank details to establish a secure connection. And there you have it. Once you've selected your bank and confirmed the transfer, the withdrawal is underway. Keep in mind that while these transfers are designed to be swift, some banks might take a little longer to process them due to their internal policies. With these steps, you should now feel confident in your ability to withdraw funds whenever you need them, allowing you to manage your finances with greater flexibility and control. Hopefully, this guide has empowered you to take charge of your crypto finances. Whether it's for day-to-day expenses or more significant financial planning, having this knowledge at your fingertips opens up a world of possibilities in the crypto space. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.